And it's now time for the business day. Pump prices are to rise for a ninth straight week tomorrow. For gasoline, the increase will be $3.03, taking both grades to the highest they've been in 11 months. The price of automotive diesel goes up $2.94, and low sulfur diesel rises by $3.06. Kerosene will cost $3.06 more as well. However, propane declines by $1.54, while butane inches up by 17 cents. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $150.18. The Canadian dollar sells for $118.82. The pound sterling costs $206.13, while the euro is going for $184.90. Rum drinking, at least for Worthy Park products, have gone up since the pandemic. The company said its sales have gone up with more Jamaicans doing the factory tour with tourist traffic down. CEO of Worthy Park Estates, Gordon Clark, said his sales went up in December and January as Jamaicans replaced tourists on the rum tour.
So far, our sales are better in the latter part of COVID. And I think that, having locals pass through here and find out about this place and our brands and what we're doing, I think we're seeing the effect on the supermarket shelves.
Mr. Clark says the tour is not a money-making event for the factory, but to expose the brand.
We have a rum tour here that is very unique. It's very intimate, and we've had over 1,000 people come through, and we've had nothing but good comments of this tour. It's small. So we handle groups of 25 persons, a maximum of 25 at any one time. And we really get down into the history of Worthy Park and also the process of rum making, aging and blending.
Stocks rallied today to claw back some of yesterday's losses on strong trading in Pulse and Trans-Jamaican Highway, pushing the JC Index up more than 2,902 points, while the Junior Market Index dipped by a little over 20 points. The best performers of the day were Portland JSX, Paramount Trading, Express Catering, CAC 2000 and Sterling Investments US dollar shares. On the other hand, investors fared worse with Everything Fresh, JMMB Group's 7.5% preference shares, 138 Student Living's preference shares, T-Tech and Dolphin Cove. And that's the Business Day. International stories when we return.